Hi there! Hi everyone! The second Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 9th, 2020. The second one of 5 Sudokus in this additional. And before I start with the second Sudoku, I always count the numbers. So I have an indication of the difficulty level. I think there are 26 because the previous one was 27. So let me count. We have 3 plus 4 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. We have here 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 as expected. Alright, so let's get started. I see a lot of numbers with the digit 5. 5 in this first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then which number, because I have completed the 5, yes, and all the 5s are used, I can see, yes, I have completed the 5. Wow, how about the number, which number? 9 in this column, and 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Now, in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 9 here. In the column next we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot complete with the 9. I need more digits. How about the number 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then how about yes, these 3 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 8. We see here an 8 and no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then we have 2 numbers left here. The 8 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. How about 2, 6 and 7. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 6. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left in this big square. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes. 2 numbers left in the first column. The numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 6, I believe. Yes. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Now we have in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2, 4. Then how about these 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 2 and 1, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the third column. For the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 number left in this row. For the number 8. 8 is missing, yeah. 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Well, how about the numbers, these 2 numbers in this middle row? The numbers are the 4 and the 2. The 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1. And the final number of this big square for the number 2. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow, quicker than the last Sudoku, the previous one. Although we have here 26 printed numbers, so I'm very pleased. 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will continue later with this one, the third Sudoku. It's a 4-star Sudoku. So I will see you soon. Bye bye for now. Oh, apologies.